Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today, we are diving deep into a critical foundation of the European Medical Device Regulation, the General Safety and Performance Requirements, or GSPRs, found in Annex I of the EU MDR. These requirements are the bedrock upon which your entire CE marking process is built. They replace the essential requirements of the previous directive, but they are far more comprehensive and demanding. Successfully demonstrating compliance requires a meticulous, evidence-based approach. A common and critical mistake we observe is manufacturers simply marking a requirement as not applicable without a robust justification. For example, for a non-sterile device, you cannot just state that sterility requirements are not applicable. You must explain that the device is intended for sterilization by the user before use, and this must be clearly stated in the instructions for use. Each non-application is a claim that requires evidence and a clear rationale. Another major challenge is demonstrating sufficient clinical evidence, as mandated by GSPRs 1 and 8. It's no longer enough for a device to just function technically. You must prove it delivers a tangible clinical benefit that outweighs any potential risks. Consider a new diagnostic software using AI. The manufacturer might have extensive data showing its algorithm is accurate. However, if the clinical evaluation fails to demonstrate how this accuracy improves patient outcomes or provides a meaningful advantage over existing diagnostic methods, notified bodies will reject the submission. The focus has shifted from technical performance to proven clinical benefit. Usability, covered under GSPR 5, is another area frequently underestimated. Manufacturers often focus on the core function of a device, but neglect the human factor risks. For instance, a home-use infusion pump could be perfectly precise in its delivery mechanism. But if its interface is confusing, leading users to set incorrect dosages, the device has failed to mitigate a critical risk. This can lead to significant delays, requiring a complete redesign of the user interface and extensive usability testing with the target user population. Finally, GSPR 10, which covers chemical and biological properties, demands incredible detail. Stating a material is biocompatible is insufficient. For an implantable screw, for example, manufacturers must provide a full chemical characterization of the material, detailed toxicological risk assessments based on ISO 1993 standards, and specific data on leachables and extractables. This ensures the material is safe for its intended duration and type of contact with the body. Navigating these granular requirements is complex and resource-intensive, but it is absolutely essential for market access. Ensuring your GSPR checklist is robust, with every point supported by specific evidence and well-reasoned justifications, is a cornerstone of a successful submission. For comprehensive support in navigating the complexities of the EU MDR and ensuring your GSPR compliance is solid, contact our team by emailing info@pureglobal.com or visiting us at https://pureglobal.com.